Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this smartphone. So you have to go for the Play Store, go for the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application, this one. Right now we can open, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then just go back and click switch input methods. Switch to English United States keyboard, click finish and take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard has changed and it looks very close to the original iOS keyboard. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.